Welcome to BookWell. Today, we'll learn how to view and manage your activity statements. The Activity Statements page is your central hub for reporting GST, PAYG, and other taxes to the ATO. Before starting, click Settings to configure your reporting preferences. On this configuration page, you can define your accounting basis and reporting frequency. This determines how the system auto-calculates your tax data. Click Save when finished. Locate the draft statement and click Prepare BAS to start entering your data. Before submitting, you can click Export to save the statement as a PDF or Excel file for your records. Once confirmed, click Finalize to complete the reporting process. Your statement status is now updated to Finalized. Congratulations! You've mastered the management process of activity statements. BookWell, live better.